Here's what we collected looking at our early Lesney Matchbox. Number 1 from 1953. This is the dark green. However, this is the wrong box. It would have script lettering on Moko, Lesney. This is the B box from 54. The original box was with this car was A box. Looks like it's near mint from 53, but wrong box. So this is the B box from 1954. Original box, pretty poor condition, but still desirable, I guess. This is made out of die-cast metal. The whole toy is made out of die-cast metal. The wheels, except for the axles. The axles are stainless steel axles, I believe. Metal. They don't make toys like this anymore. This is like 70 years old. This toy. It's like near mint. Well, hope you all enjoy watching my video. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.